Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A1K, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration section. Here I'll get the ringtone volume panel. Just to adjust your ringtone volume, swipe this green dot to the left or to the right side with your finger. And also, the second way how you can do that, you can just press your volume buttons, but be sure that here on the default volume button adjustment you get selected the ringtone volume, not the media one. And just now by press to the up or to the down volume button, you can adjust your ringtone volume. And also, if we'll just go out from the settings, you can tap here and you'll see your volume panel, and by the same way you can with your finger swipe up or down on your volume panel, and you can by this way change your ringtone volume. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.